AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that runs your code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 9 things about the AWS Lambda service. Let's get into it. Number 1, AWS Lambda automatically runs code in response to multiple events, such as HTTP requests via Amazon API Gateway, modifications to objects in S3 buckets, and table updates in Amazon DynamoDB. Number 2, the service allows you to add custom logic to AWS resources such as S3 buckets and DynamoDB tables. This makes it easy to apply compute to data as it enters and moves through the cloud. Number 3, Lambda natively supports popular programming languages such as Java, Node.js, and Python. Number 4, you can package any code as a Lambda layer. This allows you to manage and share them easily across multiple functions. Number 5, AWS Lambda provides built-in logging and monitoring through Amazon CloudWatch. Number 6, the service maintains compute capacity across multiple availability zones in each AWS region. This helps protect your code against individual machine or data center failures. Number 7, AWS Lambda supports function packaging and deployment as container images. Number 8, since Lambda scales automatically, the performance remains consistently high even as the event frequency increases. Last but not the least, number 9, you can trigger Lambda from over 200 AWS services and SaaS applications and only pay for what you use. In summary, AWS Lambda is an event-driven compute service that lets you run code for virtually any type of application without provisioning or managing servers. There you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.